Abusia sabu ya menu kese yi maame bi a ye frɛ no maame mata abena manibi ono wo Upper West eye mpotemu ho na enkaya efri Ghana police e ba ne sabusia sa maame wa kowia abofra keteketekra efri ni maame nsem e wo ye edwum na sabu de abansa timaka no na full story no ha me so be jagwa na edin nsem ni na so mo Kama Studios. Make sure to subscribe to the platform to be update bi anon sabe timaka. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Now interesting story, and it is really sad, and I don't really get it. So we have Friday abusia. You say the about friend we na kwaton ai na ode mame fa wo no asem no suko. Say na asem no esitie. The Upper West Regional Police Command has arrested a 38-year-old woman, Abena Mata Manibi, for allegedly stealing a 1-week-old baby and other valuable belongings to the baby's mother at Wa Market abusia. Whereas this year, we are saying everything is possible, and anything you see online, anything that you hear on your from your it is true. How can you see like 1-week baby? Let's continue reading. According to the police, the suspect, who was posing as a hospital caretaker, lured the baby mother's Miss Kofi Mwebeli to buy a diapers on August 10th, 2025, and took advantage of the baby to escape with the infant and handbag containing cash, mobile phone, and other personal belongings. Not just a mommy oko eye Wa Market and oye no say oye eye ubia or no eye hospital caretaker or share eye ayaresa so nti okay bia me na me hwe nti waduru Wa Market won o bia mommy ne bani so 1 week o akola 1 week baby abofra ni so o mommy me so mommy nje na ekope pampers na fa pe bono na nkola de esa bi wa ne ho tete ne dade onim se Upper West wo de wa ho no awia no bo pan tu bia abofra no nti also change ne pampers no oja abofra no na mame no so ni Wa Market to pampers aba mame no ba ya abofra no wo de abofra no adwane ene bag ni sika ka no ho ane mobile phone she bag ni nyina mame Abena Mata Manibi wo de abofra no ne sa ni money na adwane. Now let's continue reading. A swift investigation led by the Domestic Violence and Victims Support Unit Coordinator, ASP Stella Atukia, resulted in Manibi's arrest on August 15th, 2025 at a hideout in Nuoboli in the Savannah region. This is the whatever free Upper West region. Janakusan, the Rakoshi Krubia, Savannah region, a friend Nuoboli in the Savannah region, a whole and the abofana ne pagan ne phone ne sikani na hono di akoshe. Now sorry ni end, but there is one thing that I don't really understand about the whole situation. 1 week baby unya one say wait, what will even come over you say okay abofra wedding na otwa ko kona ko fa no na fa no dwane. Now the story continues. The baby was rescued unharmed and reunited with the mother, while some stolen items were retrieved. The suspect appeared before the Wa District Magistrate Court on August 18th, 2025, where she was remanded into custody to appear on September 2nd. Now just say, asemi, mami etibi August ye abusia na mami no etimi kopim ye Wa District Magistrate Court e wo ho. Na afi so omo remanded no into police custody e wo says hadia onum na Omra Court September 18th, September 2nd. I na ontumemra na ensema wo no kwadu wo yamfa mo no nemu abofra ne de omsaka no imagine ni na koma no maame ene nyuma bia na eka ho no omatimi age afi maame Mata Manibi ho na mo na koma ne maame kufie atukua abusia din sa ne bebo no ai whatever it is. Now the interesting story, like the story nangasa, I don't really understand. Me shadan tia the whole thing ase. Abofra wedi na otwe baako ebia omo aye omotaye sa ade no utie news na dade a wunze omo ye sa ade ne bia abofra no wode no koye enima bi ebia wode no koye enima bi anase bibi sa. Abofra no, this incident happened on the 10th of August 2025, 15th August and amutimi ko che no ye Nuoboli in the Savannah region. 15th August, 5 days difference. Enti sankwade abofan baby bia anka within that 5 days range no kwade ne beye ni mo ko wiaye no ko betimi da ye ni mo poso de ye abofra no hwianye no isakoka no Nneɛma na ɛka ho nso nneɛma no bi so yɛtima san agye. Ɛgye sɛ saa nneɛma no use yɛ. So people are asking say ɛneɛ abɔfra no wia no yɛ dɛn. Wokɔ tete na ma na nyini. Kɔ abɔfra odi na ɔtwe baako. Wokɔ tete na ma na nyini ana wo yɛ ne sɛn. Abusua chewa comment section and say hi Karma Studios. Don't forget to subscribe to this platform and then don't forget to also follow us on all the social media handles. Hi Karma Studios, as I said earlier. Subscribe to the platform on YouTube. Click on the notification bell. We have the update. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. I'm finally out.